outside of our component, just like that. So it's going to be much clearer. And right now we can fetch our data. I'll say const teachers. We are going to be using Prisma. That comes from our library. And I'll say the teacher table. And we can find all the teachers we have. There are many options here. You can find the first item. You can find a specific teacher. Or here, if you say find many, it's gonna fetch multiple teachers. Of course, we are fetching data. It should be await. In this case, our server component should be async function. And let's see what we have inside. I'll say console log and teachers. Of course, it's gonna be multiple. So let's say teachers. Let's open our terminal. I'll refresh the page, and as you can see, all teachers are here. So we can change our data. If you remember, we were using here this temporary data. Right now, we are going to be using teachers. Let's actually say data, and I'm going to pass this here. Right now, we are going to have a problem, as you can see, because inside subjects and classes, because as I said, the teacher table includes only these fields. These are the relationships. If you want to add the related tables, you can come here and write your condition. I'll say include subjects will be true and classes will be true. Let's open our terminal again. I will scroll down. Right now we have the subjects and classes, but in our table, we want to show their names here. Let's remember what's inside the subjects. As you can see, there is a name, we can use it, and also inside class. Again, there is a name, so let's use them here. So I'll say teacher subjects.map. And for each item inside, we are going to return the subject name. Actually, let's say subject. And after returning names, finally, I can separate them using join. So I can do the same thing for the classes. Map for each class, return the class name, and join. Of course, this name is reserved. So we shouldn't use class, let's say class item. Okay, let's see right now. And perfect. As you can see, teacher name, email, teacher ID, which is username, their subjects, and some of them don't have classes, but it doesn't mean